This is an exercise to reduce your shoulders tensions. Whenever we have difficult shift or maybe nervous on the stage, we have this moment of stuck. The shoulders are up, my head is down into the instrument, and the head is going down to the instrument. My left shoulder is fighting back, and just very much tension going on. So we want to release that, and this exercise will help you to reduce the tension. So let's start. We're going to start from the bad posture. So raise your shoulders both sides, and then put your head down into the instrument. Okay, and then imagine a string from top of your head putting up to the ceiling. So that will release the shoulders nicely down and relaxed. Okay, let's do it again. Up, the shoulders up, head down, and pull up your head with an imaginary string to the ceiling. Okay, so when we are stuck, we think about the shoulders down, but then when the head is down still, it's hard to release only shoulders. So the head has to be up. It's all connected, and this head up exercise is very effective. So whenever you have a moment, try this, okay? And you feel comfortable with the natural shoulders.